Hi, Amanda.
Good.
Good. You read my mind. I was going to ask you how you doing. Are you making a Father's Day card?
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. You see, you got all your stickers and your crayons.
Where's my card?
Yeah? You put your crayons right there.
Yeah.
Is that fun, Amanda?
Yeah.
Yeah?